Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to apply a realistic tattoo in Photoshop. So let's get started. First go to File, Place Embedded and import the tattoo. I'm applying it on his bicep. So resize it to the size of the bicep and rotate it and hit OK. After transform, change that blend mode to multiply and go to blending options. Move the underlying slider to the left side and break it by holding Alt and drag with click and hit OK. Now press Ctrl T to transform and select warp and adjust the position and hit OK. Now go to filter, blur, Gaussian blur and add 0.2 pixels blur and hit OK. And see how we can easily add realistic tattoo in Photoshop. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this trick helpful.